I have never been so scared in my life. But I'm gonna close this up. So, I was looking on YouTube trying to come up with new recipes. And I came across this recipe and I was like, no, that ain't gonna work. No, that has to be fake. That can't work like that. And I was like, well, just maybe if it does work. That would be so cool if it does work. So I said, I'm gonna try it. And she used her own chocolate cake recipe, and I will link her video or her channel below so you can look it up. But I have my own chocolate cake recipe. I use nothing but that one. It's the best chocolate cake recipe in the world as far as I'm concerned. And I'm gonna use that. And probably that's gonna make it fail, but that's what I'm gonna use. Oh hey, welcome to the Fancy Cakery, welcome to my kitchen. Today is experimentation day. We are gonna try something totally different, totally new. I've never done it before, and I'm so excited. So watch how it goes, see what happens. This might work, this probably won't work, but I'll be so excited if it does work. So if you're interested in finding out exactly how it turned out, did it work, did it not work, you're gonna have to stick around. So I'm preheating my oven, and the woman says to put the oven on 390 degrees. Well, 200 Celsius. I checked it. No, actually I let my husband check it first, and he said 390, and I said, no, that's not right. So I checked it myself, and yes, it is 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and that seems a little bit high for me to bake a cake. Chocolate cake. That don't seem right. But this is what she says, so I'm doing it, and this is probably gonna be the second reason why it fails, but let's go with it. There's some seepage and overflowing and a little burnt smelling stuff. I don't know, it don't look right. It just don't look right. But it's not finished baking. We got 33 more minutes, so it's definitely. Do you not understand? Do not make noise. Oh, that's right. Make more noise. Go ahead. Okay. I'll wait till you're done, hon. I'll wait till you're done. Come tell them all about how this looks to you.
She said somebody went in the toilet and couldn't keep it in their hand. What is this?
It's a cake. Look, this is just. Let me taste it. You know what?
Ooh, it looks like caramel.
Oh. Oh, that tastes really good, actually. That does not taste burnt. That tastes really good. Ooh, I figured out how to make caramel in the oven. Keep it up, honey. So, not exactly how I planned it out. I was thinking to myself, I should have put it in a bigger pan because I know my chocolate cake, it's one recipe, but it actually makes a lot of batter and it rises really good, but it's still springy to the touch, even though the top looks a little not right. So this has to cool apparently, and then we could turn it over and see what we got. I have caramel all stuck on my teeth. It doesn't taste burnt though. It tastes really good. I am not sure about this. It's a little cool, but not quite all the way. But I'm gonna turn it out because I can't wait. All right, let's see how this works. I think half my problem is my pan. I need a new one. Okay, let's move this piece. Well, that looks different than I thought it would. So I'm back to my computer and I've looked at the recipe again, and yes, I should have followed her chocolate cake recipe, and yes, I feel like a failure. Because although the chocolate cake tastes good, it's not what I wanted. I wanted it to be like her recipe, like how it came out with her video. And should I scrap it and just throw everything away? Throw this whole footage away? No, because if you've ever baked anything, you know that sometimes things don't come up. Sometimes you gotta try again. Sometimes you gotta experiment. Sometimes you gotta get it right. One day I'm getting this right, and I'm gonna make a video on how I got it right. In the meantime, watch this fail video, watch her video, and you tell me what I did wrong. Because I'm pretty sure you have probably done this before. Pretty sure. So join me next time in the Fancy Cakery, where we're gonna actually do something that I really know how to do. And we're not gonna experiment. Or we might, because sometimes experimentation is good. That's how you learn, right? And that's how you get new recipes, right? Have you ever made a baking fail? Please comment below and tell me all about it. You know, at this point I could come up with a whole fail playlist.